You don't need to travel to have a perfect beach day. This week at Yang Fan Preschool, we brought the sunshine, the sand, and the sea right to us. Ready to dive in? We had shovels, pails, and a whole lot of imagination in our very own sandy wonderland. This wasn't just play. It was a construction site for creativity.
The rules of the game is we're not going to be throwing the potato, and if you guys get the potato and the music stops, you guys are out.
The energy is high with a classic game of hot potato. Pass it quick. Feel the beat. It's a whirlwind of giggles and quick hands.
It's a puzzle. There you go.
Our little oceanographers dove deep to piece together a magnificent underwater world. Every fish, every coral found its home, proving that amazing things happen when we work as a team.
Okay, we're gonna put real sand.
Creativity splashed across the page. Our little Picassos painted, pasted, and sprinkled their way to beautiful beach scenes.
Who's been to a beach before?
Our imagination sailed away with a magical story about a perfect beach day. Outside, we found a giant beach ball. Or was it a parachute? We gathered round, and with the power of teamwork, we made waves and sent the real beach ball soaring. The sound of that laughter was the best music all week. Sandcastles, stories, teamwork, and laughter. Another wonderful week. Yang Fan Preschool, igniting a lifelong love for learning through joyful exploration.